Guys, today we're taking a look at the new Bee M54 wireless Bluetooth headset. Now, this is one of those products that's clearly designed for a very specific job: calls, meetings, and working remotely. Not music, not gaming, just a simple headset that lets you take calls all day without having to hold your phone to your ear. And the interesting thing is the price, because this thing comes in at around £20 to £25, which immediately raises the question, is it actually any good? So today we're going to unbox it, take a look at the design, the features, the battery life, and how it performs in real world use. So if you're looking for a simple headset for work, driving, or taking calls during the day, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Now guys, a headset like this is something a lot of people use every day, whether that's working from home, taking calls in the car, or just needing something hands-free while you're moving around. And the key advantage of this type of headset is it only covers one ear, which means you can still hear what's happening around you. So you could be on a call while still hearing someone talking to you, or what's going on in the room. And that's exactly what the new Bee M54 is designed for. Now guys, before we get into it, new Bee did send this to me to take a look at and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first of all, open up the box and we have some paperwork. Then you get a bunch of spare ear tips in different sizes. Now this is handy for getting the right fit and comfort level. Then guys, you get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now, it would have been nice to have been Type-C to Type-C, but no drama for me. It's just that I use a Mac, but there you go. Anyway guys, then you get the headset itself sitting inside the charging case. Now let's start with the charging case guys. This has a 500 milliamp battery and the case is actually quite slim and lightweight. When you open the case, you'll see the headset sitting inside, and one nice little touch is you get a battery percentage display, so you can see how much charge is left. Now guys, to the headset itself. Now this thing is so light, it's only around 15 grams in weight, which is definitely good for all day wearing. It has a silicone ear hook which helps keep it secure, and the microphone arm rotates around and up and down so you can move it closer when you're on a call. Another useful thing is the headset rotates, which means you can wear it on either your left ear or your right ear. Control wise, you've got volume buttons, a multifunction button for calls, and a dedicated mute button, which is actually quite handy during meetings because you can just press a button rather than trying to go to your screen and mute what you're doing. Now guys, battery life is quoted at around 12 hours of talk time, which for something this size is pretty impressive. And if you ever forget the charging case, you can actually plug a USB-C cable directly into the headset itself, which I have to say is a bit of a bonus. Now guys, pairing the headset is simple. Now there's no app required or anything like that. You just switch this on, open the Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and pair it. It also supports multi-point connection, which means you can connect it to two devices at the same time. So for example, you could have it connected to your laptop for video meetings, etc., and to your phone for normal audio calls. Now in terms of audio quality, I mean, I'm not going to do a lab test here because you know what, that's not really what this type of headset is about. But I can tell you now, it's equally good for both calls and music if you're happy to listen to music through one ear. But you know what, I've been using it for video and audio calls over the last few days, and the important thing is people on the other side said they could hear me clearly, and likewise I could hear them clearly as well. So you know what, for its intended job, which is for simply making and taking calls, it actually performs very well. So guys, there you have it. The new Bee M54 is a simple, practical Bluetooth headset that focuses on doing one job very well: handling calls, and that's it. It's lightweight, comfortable, battery life is solid, and multi-point connection is genuinely useful if you're switching between devices. And you know what, for under £25, it's actually quite a handy little headset for everyday use. I mean, if you're spending your day on calls, working remotely, or just want something hands-free while you're getting on with other things, it's definitely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this little bad boy up for between £20 and £25. And when you're talking about using more expensive devices like AirPods for calls, this device is a bit of a no-brainer. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Newbie for sending me this cool headset to take a look at. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.